Today I will be making rabbit biryani. First start off with an entire rabbit and then joint and portion the rabbit. Then place the rabbit in a large cooking pan with a tight fitting lid. I used an oval Dutch oven. Then add 250 grams of plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 cloves. If you do not have cloves, you can use allspice. 5 black cardamom pods, 5 green cardamom pods, 1.5 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of dark chili powder, 2 teaspoons of turmeric, 2 green chilies, 25 grams of mint and 25 grams of coriander, and a handful of fried onions crushed. 2 tablespoons of melted ghee, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, and the juice from 1 squeezed lemon. Then mix well and make sure the meat is entirely coated in the marinade. Following this, you will place this covered in a refrigerator overnight. If you cannot do overnight, make sure you at least get 4 hours. Rinse 630 grams of basmati rice. Then soak that rice for 30 minutes. While you are soaking the rice, take some warm water and add a pinch of saffron to make saffron water. This is a flavor in the biryani, but it also makes the rice yellow. If you do not have saffron, you can use yellow food coloring to make it yellow. Add 1 teaspoon of salt into water, then 1 bay leaf and 1 cinnamon stick. Boil the water and parboil the rice for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, drain the rice and set aside. Then take the room temperature rabbit and cover in a layer of half of the rice. Do not press down, just lightly fluff it about. Then add a handful of the crispy fried onions, and a handful of chopped coriander and mint. Then repeat the process by adding another layer of rice, which would be the rest of the rice, and then another layer of fried onions, followed by another layer of the coriander and mint. Pour in 2 tablespoons of melted ghee, then the saffron water. Cover and place in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. And here you have piping hot rabbit biryani. What's on the menu next?